Have you ever encountered problems such as severe residue after mixing, difficult cleaning, and frequent downtime for maintenance? This double-shaft paddle mixer helps you reduce residue, improve efficiency, and make production easier. This mixer uses a design with two counter-rotating mixing shafts, allowing materials to undergo more thorough three-dimensional tumbling, achieving a more uniform mixing effect. Easier cleaning allows for faster transition to the next batch of production, reducing downtime and increasing overall capacity. Internal mirror polishing reduces material adhesion and residue, minimizing raw material waste and effectively reducing cross-contamination. The pull-out structure facilitates maintenance and ensures more stable operation, reducing the risk of malfunctions during long-term use and lowering maintenance burden.